We've got an update to share with you guys today. Now you can insert custom code into service menus. With this feature update, you can now enhance your experience within the service calendar by customizing its appearance using CSS. Now, this is a slightly more advanced feature for people that actually know CSS and really want to be able to customize the look of that calendar. Well, it's possible now. The benefits of this update are that you can now personalize the look and feel of your service calendar to match your business branding using CSS. You can also create a more intuitive and visually appealing booking. And you'll have the freedom to design your menu exactly as you've ever considered it or envisioned it. So let's talk about practical use. Let's say you're a small salon owner and you use this feature to really hone in and customize your service calendar to reflect your brand colors and style, providing a seamless and branded booking experience for your clients, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. I'm going to show you exactly where to find this new option for CSS within this booking calendar. So first you're going to go to settings in the lower left-hand navigation. From settings, you're going to click on the calendars area of the settings menu. And then when the upper navigation opens up, you're also going to click on calendars. Now you want to make sure that you are specifically under the service menu, and you're going to go ahead and create a new service menu. Now, to customize the look of that service menu calendar, you're going to go under Service Menu Details. And in the Additional Options area, you're going to see a place for custom code. This is going to allow you to add any of that custom CSS that is really going to perfect that service calendar to be exactly what you need. Now, again, this is a fairly advanced feature, but I want to be able to share this with you because you never know who is really solid with CSS code and would like to use this. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.